I'm Lucy Flowers, and this is Hollywood Update. The question on everybody's lips is, where's Jarrod? After the success of last year's viral internet web series, Nature Show, fans and critics alike are salivating at the thought of what this charismatic animal is going to do next. But after quickly becoming the toast of Tinseltown and being a mainstay at awards and fashion shows all over the globe, Jarrod quickly retreated from the limelight. Word from his talent agency is that Jarrod turned down roles in the new Star Wars and Jurassic Park to begin working on a new season of Nature Show.
Jarrod, you in there? It's your old buddy Andy Batson. I came to share some exciting news with you. The door's open!
Hey.
What the hell happened to you, man? I dropped you off at your place like 3 months ago. You don't return my calls. I went over there and your landlord said you had moved out and he told him that you were gonna immerse yourself in nature. Is that what you did, Jarrod? Immerse yourself?
I must have got lost somewhere down the line.
You all there, buddy? Huh? Put some clothes on. You're making me uncomfortable.
Yeah. Come in, have a seat. What do you want?
We got a contract.
Yep.
Another firm wants some stunning main backdrop for their corporate videos. And we're gonna be out there. You know what that means.
I thought we were through, Andrew.
No. You get hit, you're stunned. You get the wind knocked out of you, and you fall back. What next?
Roundhouse kick?
That's right. Welcome back. How do you feel? So what happened to you?
What happened to me isn't a tale that can be told. You have to be shown.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Yep. Mind meld.
Stop it.
No?
It's not working.
You sure?
Yeah. Stop.
Okay. Fine. It's like this. Do you remember the artifact that we found in the bog last summer?
Yeah, the hipster jewelry?
Right. It had red liquid in it, kind of looked like blood.
I guess it did.
Well, I tried some of it.
What do you mean you tried it?
I dropped a little bit on my tongue.
How much?
Not much.
How much do you have left?
Much. So much.
Was it good?
It was good. It's good. So much good.
Then what?
Well, really, I don't remember what happened. I woke up what seems like weeks later, and I'm just out in the woods, man. I was out there and I don't even know how I got there. I'm thinking, what am I doing here and what's the meaning of all this? Then these homeless dudes come over and they're all like, what up, Jarrod? And I'm like, yo, homeless guys. After a short time of interaction with these guys, I deduced that I had already spent much time with them. They knew who I was, what I did, basically my whole backstory. I think we went to high school with one of these guys.
Hold on. Back it up. Why would you try blood that you found in a vial at the bottom of the Brownfield Bog?
That's the thing. I don't know why. I just felt compelled to.
Then you
Metaphysically.
tripped out.
Exactly.
Hey! Hey! Come on, get up!
Okay, you got Big Pete and you got Little Pete. They're brothers that have the uncommon but not unheard of good fortune of carrying on the family first name. And of course, you've got the Human Raccoon. This tantalizing creature comes in at a whopping 170 pounds of pure terror. It hails from the bowels of hell, where it was weaned on the teat of a golden dragon.
Why would you hang out with him?
Well, he's well-read, he's opinionated without being confrontational, and he knows the well-timed patience and poise required for a dick and or fart joke. All kidding aside, don't ever piss him off.
What were you doing with these guys?
Don't you remember the story about the missing homeless guys? Well, I went investigating because I wanted to do a nature show on this.
Yeah, that was like 2 months ago. Hobos go missing. You wouldn't shut up about it.
That's the thing. These reports are coming from their friends, other homeless people. They're disappearing right out of their tents at night.
What are you doing?
There's the signs of struggle and blood, torn clothing, and piss everywhere.
Oh man,
Yeah.
that's weird.
So, I meet a couple of homeless guys on the internet that would let me come in there and do a journalistic story on them.
How do you find homeless guys on the internet?
Craigslist.
So this was going to be a nature show?
Eventually, they hadn't agreed to being on camera, but I'm sure they would, knowing that we were just trying to get to the bottom of this suspiciously sinister subplot.
So what were you really doing out there?
Well, on that particular morning, Big Pete had decided he was forming a club, and they were going to be sharing their knowledge about living life on the fringe.
Nature camp.
Exactly. So I learned how to make some pretty sweet survival structures. Lean-tos, Adirondack shelters, stick forts, tarp towers, cardboard castles. And it was about this time that I decided to take one more drop of the blood and then be done with it, you know. 'Cause it's really weird.
Then what?
Well, I blacked out, of course.
Do you want to do this? Do you want to do nature show?
Andy, I kind of feel like I've just been making nature show my entire life.
Well, that's a crazy thing to think, but that's okay. Why don't you get yourself ready or do whatever it is you need to do to make yourself presentable so we can get to work on our first real episode of Nature Show.
That sounds good, buddy. That sounds real good.
You look good.
I look good because I smell good.
We're gonna need a few things before we get out to the hobo jungle.
Okay?
We're gonna need protection.
Right.
So we need an axe,
Check.
a machete,
Double check.
Rambo knife,
Triple check.
condoms.
Just one.
2 condoms?
Just one.
1 condom.
Ninja socks. Grappling hook.
Grappling hook.
Yeah, you never know when you might grapple something out in the hobo jungle.
I could grapple those. do this. So what really happened to you out there when you drank that blood?
You want to know?
Yeah.
You really want to know?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How we sounding over there?
What?
I said, how we sounding over there?
Oh, good. She sounds good. She sounds real good.
That's what I want to hear.
4, 3, 2, 1, action.
Hi, I'm Jarrod Anderson, and this is Nature Show.